Alright, hello. It is time for another Devblog, and today we are finally at Beta 1. And I'm referring to it as a beta now instead of an alpha because we finally have the full scope of the game is here. We've got all the cinematics are there, even if some of them don't quite have all the animations and such. All the enemies that are there, that will be there, are there. And I'm not going to play through the full game for this devlog like I have on some because I want you to experience it yourself, which you can do by downloading it from the description down below. And so, because of that, this is a pretty short devlog, but it is a very important one. So, if you would like to download that for Windows from the link below and hop into the comments and give us some feedback on it. Hopefully within the next 20 hours or so, because the submission deadline is 37 hours away by my count, as of the time of this recording. So we're very much in the last day of actually making changes. So I may be refining the gameplay a little bit. But I'm mostly going to be fixing bugs and incorporating the last couple of changes here. Since the last time, we have added this little jump stab here. The spiders now spawn in a little bit more sensible locations, and yeah. So that's where the game is at right now, yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for playing. Let us know what you think. Oh, we also have a Discord server now. Link to that will also be in the description down below.